Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I gonna open a parcel from Shein. Oh my god, it's always Shein, but that's fine. By the way, this is my outfit for this morning. This is the first one. Let's open. I will open this one because I'm gonna use one of this for today. Maybe let's pick 5 of this, and the next video part 2 another 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, maybe let's open 3. The other video is another 3. First. Oh my god. Then, looks like boxer short. And this is the top. My camera has not much space already. Second, the top and the bottom. Oh my god! I think that I will use this because it looks like for boxing. I have boxing class for today. Lastly, this is the back. So I'm gonna try them 3 all. I don't have much comment about this. Looks like boxer short. I thought there's a hole here, but there's nothing. Okay. Next, this is the set that I want to use today. This is the back details, and it has like crinkled already. It's garterized. Also, this is a big garter. Oh my god, this is so tight. So, on the picture, it looks like a small short here, but in a person or in real, it's like this. Back. It's nice because it's so tight. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna pick which one I'm gonna use today. Which one is better? I think this. Final decision, this one. I wanna switch to that's all everyone. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.